Applications. Use these adapters to hook up your wet, dry vac wands or hose extensions to each other, regardless of their diameter sizes. Easy installation. Accessories will lock into these adapters snugly, making a strong connection that is easy to perform. Use them together. These adapters can be used in tandem with each other to massively extend your shop vacuum hoses for vacuuming projects around the home or professional job site. Accessories included: 2-1/2 in hose-to-hose connector, 2-1/2 into 1-7/8 in adapter, and 1-7/8 into 1-1/4 in adapter. Industrial grade construction. Craftsman wet, dry vacuum accessories are built to handle heavy use. Top reviews from the United States. Great adapters. I bought this kit because our previous shop vac died after 15 to 20 years. It was time to replace it and upgrade, so I bought a bigger capacity shop vac with 2-inch hoses. These adapters are allowing me to keep using the old tools and hose. There's really not much else to say about these.